Hey viewers, just want to give you an insight on the Aeroflow PCV AN adapters. These go over your PCV nipples. They make different sizes for these. Right now I have a 1/2 inch, but this is for 3/8. This is a 8 AN. This is a 10 AN. I will be using this on the other side of the valve cover, the back end of the valve cover for this. But I just want to show you the insight on these Aeroflow PCV adapters to go AN. I prefer these than the other. They have other ones that are like clamp-on styles where they have set screws. These seem to be more stoutier versions that will probably handle more of the airflow and probably very little leaks. What comes with these is just the adapter itself to AN. So there's 3 pieces on this fitting. You got your back shell, right? Your threaded back shell, and then inside is your pull it out, O-ring. All right, so you have 3 pieces like so. All right, yeah, 3 pieces. I purchased these at autoplum.com. Racetronics also has it, but I think Autoplum seems to be a more legitimate website, and they were a bit cheaper. So how I installed these was that when you get that, you'll get instructions from Autoplum. It will literally say to use Permatex Ultra Black and use it liberally, because as you can see, this end is pretty big. All right, it will fit over the hump of the nipple, but also you want it sealed properly when you fit it. So this is pretty solid on there. This is just from compression and all the silicone or RTV that's on it. So there you go. I use this, the Ultra Black from Permatex, like what it says. So what you're gonna do on a nipple, let me grab something to show you. All right, say if this is my, say this is my like nipple right here, and that's the hump. All right, what you're gonna do is slide that on, right? And what I do is add some RTV in there. Then I would slide the O-ring on it. All right. And then I will add more RTV on that nipple as far back as I can. Okay. And what I would do, because I have sandwiched RTV back here, the O-ring, and then RTV. What I like to do is add a little bit on the face of that nipple. You know, you got that hump on the nipple. Just add a little bit on that RTV, and I go sandwich it in there. Press everything in, and just tighten it down. Once you tighten it down, it should be fully sealed. As you can see, I'm just using a 10mm socket, but the nipples will be a little smaller in diameter, and there's going to be a gap or a space right there. So you want to fill that up with RTV, so when your engine's running, you don't get any oil leaks or anything like that through your PCV system. I think these are really great. I know Amazon has the clamp-on styles that look like these, but I don't think it's going to be a good one. These are pretty much, once they're sealed, they're sealed. The thing is, what I would not recommend is that you use these for anything fully pressurized. I think 1 or 2 psi, maybe up to 5 is good, but I wouldn't put any more than that. I am going to be using PTFE braided lines on this because I'm dealing with oil. You don't have to. You could use just regular lines if you're doing AN, but I want to just go with PTFE. It just seems to be a better option, less things to worry about. If you have any questions, you can purchase these at AutoPlum. I do not have an Amazon affiliate link on these. They are not sold on Amazon, but these are Aeroflow fittings, and I think I could just purchase them on AutoPlum, and that's the best place to buy them. They're about $15 to $20 each. The bigger you go, the more expensive they are, but I think these are solid fittings for changing your barb adapter or your barb to an A fitting real fast and real quick, and they're very solid. These are a great item to have in your car if you want to go AN lines, putting a cash can or something like that, just to make it a nice clean look. Aeroflow fittings. Enjoy this insight on Aeroflow. See you later.